Hello and welcome to Digi8.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on cross-functional team. Now let's start with the definition of a cross-functional team. A group of people with diverse functional skills working to acquire a common goal is known as a cross-functional team. They're employees with expertise in operations, finance, human resource, and marketing departments. Generally, employees from different levels of a company are included in this team. People from outside the company can also be included, specifically from consultants to principal customers to suppliers. They are generally self-guided teams given particular tasks where contribution of people with different skills and departments are required. Different perspectives and possible solutions to the assigned task are provided by every member. Moving on to the advantages of cross-functional teams. First, different skills. Acquiring various skills increases an employee's value in the organization. Additional skills will inevitably be acquired by individuals while cohesively working with people with different skill sets. Next, better collaboration. Teams can continue concentrating on corporate goals with the help of cross-functional teams. Hence, marketers and sales reps can work together to recognize efficient marketing methods to business executives. Next, magnified productivity. Using cross-functional workforces can improve a company's productivity, especially in environments related to manufacturing. Cross-functional human resource capital is more flexible with respect to scheduling and assigning responsibilities. Next, improved insights. It is easier for a team to devise solutions to work problems when the members are exceptional performers from many departments. Fresh views can be acquired along with innovative solutions easily due to distinct skill set of the members in a cross-functional team. Next, more innovative products. Best methods of practice for various processes can be recognized by cross-functional teams. Following this, other members of cross-functional teams can be cross-trained for cohesive and efficient working across the company. And finally, minimizing cycle times. Companies can be aided by cross-functional teams to recognize their inadequacy and increase their capability of finding viable solutions. Cycle times can be minimized for recurring pain points through this. Moving on to strategies to develop cross-functional teams. First, bringing together the right team. A successful cross-functional team needs a specific skill set determined by the assigned projects. Next, there must be a leader. Even though having a leader is not required in cross-functional teams, having one is highly beneficial. Along with creating self-leaders out of individual team members, a leader must hold the team responsible. Next, establish clear goals. Like any other team, the efforts of team members in cross-functional teams can be misdirected if the established goals are not clear. Hence, establishing clear goals before bringing the team together is essential. Next, interaction. For any project to be successful, there needs to be good communication between the members. The project's needs must be communicated, heard, and realized to move on with the task. Next, welcome diversity in your company. Initially, it is assumed that the presence of members from individual functional department is why cross-functional teams are encouraged. Additionally, they also have members with varying seniority, genders, experience, engagement, age, skill sets, and location. And finally, continuously review. Cross-functional teams are more suitable when swift innovations are sought to market. To do this, processes and priorities, including performance, must be continuously reviewed. Now moving on to cross-functional team examples. First, Netflix. Netflix surrounds designers with cross-functional teams for membership, phone and tablet, 10-foot team, that is people watching from 10 feet away or more, that is TV, and originals, where teams tend to have more independence to make important decisions and communication is more instantaneous across product, engineering, and design. And the next example and the final one is Facebook. The first one being new hires, which entails this is now your company. This is what that is meant genuinely when every employee is told on the first day in the company. Their constant partnerships with highly cooperative cross-functional product teams are what the employees like the most about the company. The product decisions and vision of every single one of the company's products are driven by various roles. All team members are encouraged to share their opinions and ideas. Next is the Facebook's New York location. With significant growth in engineering, some of the other disciplines are data science, product design, analytics, engineering, and research. Teams at Facebook New York and other locations can leave a substantial social impact and touch many people with these projects. And finally, the social recommendations product. Due to the shared efforts of various teams at Facebook New York, the social recommendations product was initiated. These including engineering teams focused on Facebook local search, recommendations, and applied machine learning. So that's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on cross-functional team. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video.
Thank you and see you in the next video.